beautiful, isn't it? Ravens, Seahawks, Eagles. Each year they must follow the path of migration, marking the season's end. It is at this time that we must say goodbye to watching these majestic creatures live. But never fear. They'll be back, as certain as the sun. They always come back. Which is why it's never too early to prepare for the coming season by signing up for NFL Sunday Ticket and YouTube TV, where you can watch every game, every Sunday. Yes, with NFL Sunday Ticket, you can greet the new season as it dawns. Aw, a rookie.
Sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV and save $50.